गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. केळशीतील मिनी इंडिया प्रकल्प हा पूर्णपणे बेकायदेशीर असल्याचं आमदार ॲलिना साल्ढाणा यांनी म्हटलंय. सातत्यानं सरकारला घरचा आहेर देणाऱ्या ॲलिना साल्ढाणा यांनी पुन्हा एकदा सरकारवरती निशाणा साधलाय. कोणतीही परवानगी नसताना प्रकल्प का राबवले जात आहेत यावरून त्यांनी सवाल उपस्थित केले आहेत. या सगळ्याचा आढावा घेतलाय आमचे प्रतिनिधी श्याम सूर्या नाईक यांनी.
This project is a totally illegal project. It does not have any permissions. Okay? Even the Land Survey Department has, that we have a document where the Land Survey Department has stated very definitely that the concerned survey numbers are no development zones. Okay? Now I am told, which we were not aware, that 3 months or 4 months later, the nature of the land changed. I don't understand how this can happen. And now they say it is partly no development and partly development. How can that be? All the concerned government authorities have denied permission. Like, for example, to start with, IPB had given initially had given permission. IPB withdrew its permission. I have the document. Then NDZ had stated very loud and clear that the survey numbers concerned are no development zone. Of course, subsequently, for various reasons, they have changed their stand. But the fact is, the document is there stated by the Land Survey Department that the area concerned is a no development zone. Environment Department also has stated that nothing can be done there. So why are we still pressing on? Let us do what the area is meant to do, cultivation and fishing. Okay? But no. And I think we also have a moral duty, a moral responsibility towards nature and environment. In fact, we are told that we can use the environment, improve upon it, and hand it over to the next generation. Instead, what are we doing? We are destroying it and making it beyond repairs for the future generation, which is totally wrong.
फर्स्ट थिंग इन्स्पेक्शन आमी बेजिकली आपल्याला तांकां स्टॉप ते एक्टिविटीज इलिगल वर्क करता ताका लागून आनीक तांकां नोटीस सर्व केल्लो. नोटीस सर्व करून स्टील दे हॅव कंटिन्यू देयर वर्क, इलिगल वर्क. आनीक मागीर आमी सायड इन्स्पेक्शन मागलें. एक पार्टी ऑन 7th वी आस्क फॉर सायड इन्स्पेक्शन. तेन्ना तांणी गेट लॉक हाडली. वी कुड नॉट टेक द सायड इन्स्पेक्शन प्रॉपरली. आनी ताका आमी आनीक नेक्स्ट डेट बेज ऑन दीस सेम आमी ताका नेक्स्ट डेट दिल्ली. दीस इज 24th. आणि आयज सायड इन्स्पेक्शन घेतला. त्यांचो रेप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आसलो एक एडवोकेट आनीक मिस्टर रातोड. तांकां आमी जे क्वेश्चन केल्ले, परमिशन विचारलें, दे हेल्पलेस, दे कुड नॉट गिव एनी आन्सर्स.